So hey guys, hey, I want to give you this Lunapic class, the class that I set out to give to you guys on Monday, but it didn't work the way I wanted it to work. I'm going to give you this class with a little bit more context. In this one, we're going to create stickers or clip art or print and cuts. Whatever you want to do with it, you do with it. But the idea is to get your digital paper inside of these shapes. And we're going to use Canva and Lunapic to do this. It is easier to do it in Photoshop and Illustrator, but if you don't have a background in Photoshop and Illustrator, then this can help you create your own without having to have access or even knowledge about how to use the Adobe products. All right, so the idea is to get the digital paper designed. This is my layout for my digital paper. So to get the digital paper designed and to get it inside the shapes. So the digital paper design, I've already downloaded it and brought it into Repr. This is what it looks like. This is the digital paper that I created from it. I like this one, and I like some other ones too, like this one, because it kind of reminds me of Holly's. So I'm going to download it as a 12 by 12 because I want to also sell it as digital paper as a set and download it 300 dpi JPEG. And the reason why I'm choosing JPEG is because of the file size. The file size will be smaller than if it was a PNG, but you still have the pixel size and you still have the DPI. So now I'm going to go ahead and export it. When I export it, I brought it into Canva. I brought two designs into Canva actually, and drag and drop my digital paper into my Canva design because I want my digital paper to show inside of these shapes. All right. To make that happen, I have to download this image as a JPEG file, bring it into Lunapic, and then remove the black stamp like the mitten, these shapes, the circles. I want to turn those into transparencies. So I'm going to download, like I said, as a JPEG, increase the quality, make sure I'm only choosing the first page, select done, and download. Once it downloads, then I'll bring it into Lunapic, upload, choose the file, my shapes, and then use the transparent tool in Lunapic to remove the color, the black color, and to make these shapes transparent. Once I select transparent, then select the space that I want to make transparent. I'll select apply. So select your shape, then select apply. Select your shape, then select apply. Select your shape, and then select apply. To retain the transparency, I need to save this file as a PNG. So save image, save it as a PNG, so that way it captures the transparency. I brought my digital stamp from Lunapic into Canva, just uploaded it. And the way you can tell that these spaces are transparent is because now they're grayed out. They're grayed out. So I'm going to select the space that I want to add my digital stencil to, so that way it pops right onto the design that I want to use. If something like this happens, it just means that it moved your design to the background. Just select undo. Now I have my mitten and these shapes with my digital paper inside of it. And I can offer this as clip art. I can offer this as digital stickers. I can offer this as digital holiday tags, planner stickers, print them out myself, cut them out myself, send them to my customers, or have my customers purchase them from my website and have them so they can use them as print and cut projects. The way to get this to be a print and cut project is to flatten the image. When we flatten the image, we will be able to set the background to transparent, and when a user uploads it into Cricut or into the Silhouette, the Cameo, the system will only read the shapes because there will be no background. So I'm going to show you how to do that to get it transparent. So I'm going to select download page 3 as a JPEG, turn up the quality to 100, make sure I'm only selecting the third page, done, and download. After I downloaded the image, I uploaded it back into Canva, and now I'm just going to place it on a new design space in Canva. Same folder, just a different sheet. Now I'm going to select it and select Edit Image and use Canva's Background Removal tool. The Background Removal tool will remove the white space around the shapes and make the space transparent. Alright, select Apply, let the wheel spin, and now I'm going to check my work to make sure that the background is transparent just by selecting the background and adding a color to it. And I see that my background is transparent. So now that I have the background transparent, I can go ahead and download this from Canva as a PNG file and make sure I select transparent background, and then offer this as a sticker sheet or whatever I want to offer it as to my customers. But with the background being transparent, they can use it with their Cricut and their Silhouette, Cameo Silhouette. But you don't have to make it transparent if you don't want to. Maybe your whole thing is just to have them cut it out themselves. Totally up to you. Just envision who your customer is and how you see them using your digital product. All right, so go ahead and build that avatar in your mind, that customer, build them up, and then just think about how they should use your digital stickers. All right, if you have any questions, make sure you post them below. And happy sticker, clip art, and digital stamp and digital stencil making. Talk with you guys soon. Bye bye.